If your Comet browser history is getting too cluttered or you simply want to protect your privacy by removing all traces of your browsing activity, then this tutorial is for you. Today I'll show you how to delete all browsing history in Comet Browser step by step. This includes your visited websites, search history, cookies, cached files, and other stored browsing data. Let's get started. First, open Comet Browser on your computer. Now look at the top right corner of the browser window. Instead of a three-dot menu, you will see your profile icon, which may appear as Neptune, Sun, Moon, or another avatar depending on your setup. Click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the Comet Settings page. Once you are inside Settings, look at the left-hand menu. Click on Privacy and Security. This is where all browsing data controls are located. Now look for Delete Browsing Data. Click on it to open the cleanup window. When the Delete Browsing Data window pops up, you will see a time range drop-down right at the top. Comet gives you a few options here. You can clear data from the last hour, the last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. If you want a completely fresh start and want to wipe absolutely everything, go ahead and select All Time. Now let's break down the different types of data you can check off. First, Browsing History clears out the list of websites you have visited. Download History removes the log of files you have grabbed. Don't worry, this will not delete the actual files from your computer's hard drive. Cookies and other site data will log you out of most websites and clear your saved preferences. And Cached Images and Files deletes temporary data that Edge stores to speed up loading times. Clearing your cache is actually a great troubleshooting step if certain websites are acting glitchy, outdated, or refusing to load properly. You can also see extra toggles for things like autofill forms, site settings, and hosted app data. Just keep in mind that clearing everything out means you will have to log back into your accounts and your saved shopping carts might be reset. Once you have checked off exactly what you want to get rid of, just click the Delete from this device button. Comet will now remove all selected browsing information from your browser. This may take a few seconds, depending on how much data is stored. After the process is complete, your browser will be cleared and refreshed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all browsing history in Comet Browser. From now on, your browsing activity will no longer be stored in those sections, helping you maintain better privacy and a cleaner browser experience. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more browser guides, privacy tips, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.